From Sulu po. So yung ano namin ma'am is are the witness of So natin is community rehabilitation integration program for preventing and countering violent extremism. So 150 po ang in-empowered natin na widows ng Abu Sayyaf. And there are now, alhamdulillah, empowered na, may mga association na sila. Kaya na nila maka-kunting push na lang ni ma'am ng maraming program for the WPS na tulungan natin. So basically, economic development. So pag yun ang na-strengthen natin, like providing schools, they're willing talaga. So alhamdulillah. Pero marami pa sila ma'am, 150 lang po yung naano natin ngayon.
Congratulations.
Thank you ma'am, thank you so much. Ito naman din. Ito lang may aral ma'am. For if yan, din namin sa Zamboanga. Para to introduce yung successful na demo farm sa Zamboanga City. So yung mga widows, para ma-adapt na sa sulong. Hindi na naman. Sa tulong ng UNDP.
Congratulations.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tulong-tulong na tayo.
Yeah.
I think we're the only youth-led accelerator working here. So we do, this is a youth organization doing initiatives for the youth. We're working on, in terms of WPS, we're working on research. We do evidence-based policy advocacy as well, and then definitely grassroots community karamihan ng partners, but we do have a lot of partner organizations from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So ahead of other organizations doing then monitoring evaluation, we've been doing that on the NAPWPS since we're actually part of CAFDE, the NAPWPS, as part of UPAPRU's initiative.
Oh, congratulations. Very good.
Gawa kayo ng research on women leadership and the economy.
Maybe we could try that with Jackie. But we've been doing a lot of monitoring po on how youth really does the WPS engagement. So we've been doing a lot of those research with UN Women and other youth organizations as well as OPA.
So you have publications already?
Yes.
Oh, I'm ready to share it to yes.
And we also lead YPS.
We're leading the civil society, youth peace and security, and kasama ko din sa RAC, the framework of the international since 2012. And ang mga disarmament advocates ng mga
networks of techniques. So that's YPS is armament, and then we do a lot of WPS with our other partner organizations. So it's the intersection of YPS and WPS that we focus on a lot.
Yan ang namin na.
private ways
So how to support youth who are doing all these things.
and we have a strong partnership with
So in December, we have a partnership with MNLF on Youth Peace Conference with the MNLF scholars for the peace formation. Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Resource Center, composed of the 6 tribes in Bar, representing ito yung mukha ng mga kababaihang tribu sa Bar, 6 tribes. So yan yung aming, isa lang yung aming mission na ma-fully empowered yung mga indigenous women to participate dito sa governance within the barn. So, yung aming organization is barn focus. And we want to, yung aming representation, gusto namin yung governance sa barn ay isang inclusive governance na kasama yung mga kababaihan na kung saan pinoprotektahan yung kanilang ancestral domain. So mahalaga yung women, peace and security sa amin dahil hindi lang security sa panahon ng gera, hindi secure kami sa aming ancestral domain. So ito yung in-empower, patuloy namin in-empower yung mga kababaihan na nasa grassroots para lalo silang mag-participate at mahalaga sa amin yung representation. Kasi pag walang representation, wala kami sa table, hindi kami kasama sa usapan. So ito yung isang mission namin na engage the process, engage the government, and collaborate with CSO peace on the issue on women, peace and security.
Thank you. Hi, ma'am.
Wagi.
Very no. Kasi, matagal na kasi. Medyo
Formerly married now. Yeah, so it's one of the advocacy center on the college on gender equality and women's empowerment. So we have a program on gender peace and security. So we provide technical assistance, training, yes. So siya ang siya one of the we conduct regular women's summit, so we will have this March against every years na. And then we provide trainings for government agencies and LGUs on gender and development, including the inclusion of women, peace and security in their data agenda and planning capacity. So yung focus namin aside from the women is yung young women living places schools. So we make sure that they have a voice in all of these processes. We also have our young women leadership conference every year. In partnership with officials and women's college. We also have the Bangsamoro Women Hospital
Dapat may course on the weekends.
we have every year.
Yearly,
yeah, lahat ng courses. Lahat ng courses.
Sa ano po, with NDCP
yung lahat ng NDCP notice meron for
Kaya talagang kanya-kanya ano sila eh.
Knowledge is organized to empower in terms of we focus on MLA, not only individual but also the other women. We also focus on the children survivors. We organize the cooperative. They are providing capacity enhancement trainings, motivations on their rights, and then facilitate their access to livelihood opportunities with different partners. And then this picture is about the PB work, also Islamic Women of Islam Brigade. We immediately after the ratification of the deal, we facilitated their drafting their transition plan, and then we transpired in that transition plan that they want to organize a prayer organization. Serve as their platform. We accompany them, we organize their organization, and then now they are already accessing grants funding from donor international organizations. And they have also members of UNIPLAN, side educators, and actually inclusive advocates, side educators, entrepreneurs, and private social